Did I miss anything? Hey guys, sorry I'm late.
That is a good question. It's a good question, but I'll get back with you on that. Okay. And hit the target because this is huge. This contract is really huge. We have to do. What do you think?
Strong data analytics team. So we did a lot of analytics modeling, regression analysis, and we did a lot of soul searching on there.
So guys, according to my numbers, it looks like we have a 12% gain. Sorry guys.
But I just have one question before that. Why should we throw money down the drain? Why should we do? Why?
I'm sorry. Please, would you let him finish? Please, we're trying to get out of here. Yes.